Hey all, this is Cook with Brooke. Listen, I'm not doing too hot. Like, today was kind of an awful day because I'm like 99% sure I got brain damage from like a heat stroke just because I was in my boyfriend's car, which didn't have AC, and we were on the highway, and then we got in an argument about carbon monoxide poisoning. And then like I fell asleep in the car because I was just fighting for my life to stay awake and I couldn't. And then like I woke up super dazed and confused, and I had this like huge manic attack where I was just screaming and crying for like a solid hour. And my head still hurts and I still feel a little off. But really, brain damage is not so bad because what's 0 minus 0? Or see, exactly. I'm just having issues. I'm having legit issues, and it's like I don't even know what to do now. Maybe I'm just tired. It's midnight, whatever. So I have some sushi rice cooking right now. I chopped up some avocado, and we're gonna make a poke bowl. And it's gonna be kind of like a very hearty poke bowl because I haven't eaten anything today. The only thing I ate was a frozen Fanta and 2 things of McDonald's apple slices and like leftover soup, which I think was leftover soup from yesterday. So I actually don't even think I ate. I don't remember what I ate today. I don't think I ate anything. What did I eat? I'm physically struggling to remember the day because it was just so horrible. Like, I didn't eat anything when I woke up. But then I oh, and I had like a thing of edamame wasabi thingies. So now, whatever, doesn't matter. So now we got some Spam and we got some eggs. And this might be horrible with avocado, but like, I don't think it will be. So with Spam, it comes out in these little nice slices, I think. Does it not? Are you supposed to cut Spam on your own, girly pop? I don't know. Usually I make my boyfriend prepare it for me. Oh. Well, I swear to God it came out and whatever. It's not a big deal. Is a butter knife gonna work? Because I don't want to use my good knife for this. I think a butter knife should work. So just cut up your Spam into whatever size slices you like, really. And then into cubes. And this is not really a recipe from anything. I'm kind of just making this up. But it can't be that bad now, can it? So now I'm going to do actually controversial. Do 2 slices of this. Now, I don't know what's in Spam. I'm honestly quite afraid to know, but whatever. Whatever. And we'll take some butter, throw it on our pan, and cook up this Spam. Because I was like, this avocado is going kind of bad, so I'd like to use it as soon as possible. just toss the Spam onto the frying pan. And this rice should almost be done cooking. I mean, it looks almost done. But I also like don't want to like take it out too early because then it'll be like super wet and gross. And we don't want that. And there's a hair in my Spam. I think it's fine. I really hope it's fine. Look at all that. It'll be super gross. Okay, and my rice is finished cooking. So sweet. While my Spam's frying up. And I'm so sorry, y'all, that I'm not so enthusiastic, but it's just, I had a really rough day today. So I think I definitely added too much water to this rice. But it's better to have a little rice is a little too wet than super dry and gross, because I've definitely had dry rice and it's just not good. And like I might not even finish, and that's the thing about like food and whatever. Don't finish what's on your plate if you can, especially if you're like cooking it on your own and you're like spending. You're just wasting food, wasting your money, wasting. The food waste is so cringe. And, I don't know. Food waste is very huge. Now really, like, there's no such thing as, like, undercooking Spam because, well, I don't even know what Spam is made out of. But if there's, like, a light, you know, grill, char, or whatever on the Spam, then it's, like, pretty okay to go. And again, the key is just like if you smell it, then it's probably ready to, you know, it's probably ready. So I'm just going to transfer this over to bowl. And I think there's still enough butter now. I'm going to add my egg. I'll just do one egg for now. I'm gonna add my avocado to the bowl. If you want to look pretty, you can put everything on like one side and make it like all nice and partitioned. Yeah, this avocado, damn. This avocado was right. This is like, oh my god. This is like the perfect avocado. I can't believe I'm wasting it on like something that probably won't really turn out that good. So then we have your egg. Now, I don't think I add enough butter to this pan, honestly, but whatever, we're still going to try to flip it. Yeah, we can't flip it. There's not enough, there's not enough butter on here, so I'm just going to add a little bit more butter. And guys, I'm wearing shorts, okay? I'm wearing shorts, so. Hopefully that's enough. Ah! Okay, that seems like enough butter. And honestly, this is getting pretty fried, but I just want to flip it once over just because I don't want it to really be that raw. Oh my god. I don't think I really even can flip it in this pan, actually. Oh, there we go. You gotta get it on the edge. Oh, I broke the yolk. Oh, okay. Honestly, now that I broke the yolk, I'm just gonna throw it on here. That makes me so sad. Okay, well, whatever, guys. It's so fine. And here we have our lovely little poke bowl. And I'm just gonna add some fried kake. Just for some seasoning. And we do have some sriracha sauce. Okay, my fucking boyfriend drank all of my apple cider, so that's great. Sriracha sauce, if it tastes horrible, just douse it in sriracha. That's my motto, bro. So, yeah. I think that'll be good because, like, I like Spam. Yeah, I know. I like eggs. I like avocado. Whatever. Okay, whatever. There's still nothing. So, thank you. Oh, I kind of framed this horribly, but thank you for watching Cook with Brooke.